Plant FAQs, Philodendron pink Congo. Philodendron pink Congo, the truth behind the hype. Hi, Ferbvu here. For a while, the Philodendron pink Congo was the hottest houseplant on the market. Its vibrant pink foliage captivated everyone. But there's more to this plant than meets the eye. Let's delve into the world of Philodendron pink Congo, separating fact from fiction. See more 623 species in genus Philodendron at monsteraholic.com. Is the Philodendron pink Congo real? The short answer: no, not quite. The pink Congo was marketed as a distinct Philodendron variety with permanently pink leaves. However, it turned out to be a clever trick. These philodendrons are most likely immature Philodendron todii, also known commercially as Philodendron Congo. New Philodendron todii leaves emerge with a beautiful pink blush. Unfortunately, this fades to a deep, glossy green as the leaves mature. So, the pink Congo is simply a juvenile form of a naturally green philodendron. Why did the Philodendron pink Congo cause such a stir? The Philodendron pink Congo's popularity stemmed from its stunning appearance. The vibrant pink foliage was a breath of fresh air in the houseplant world. Social media fueled the craze, with influencers showcasing their pink Congos. Unfortunately, the impermanence of the pink color wasn't widely known initially. This led to disappointment and a sense of being misled among some plant enthusiasts. Should you buy a Philodendron pink Congo, even though it's not really pink? Despite the color change, the Philodendron todii is a beautiful and rewarding houseplant. Its mature, deep green leaves are elegant and lush. Here's why you might still consider getting one. Beautiful foliage. Even without the pink, the mature Philodendron todii boasts stunning, glossy green leaves. Easy care. This philodendron is known for being relatively easy to care for. It thrives in moderate light and doesn't require frequent watering. Fast climber. The Philodendron todii is a vigorous climber. Providing a moss pole or trellis allows it to showcase its cascading foliage. What are some alternatives to the Philodendron pink Congo? If your heart is set on a houseplant with long-lasting pink foliage, here are a few alternatives. Syngonium pink illusion. This Syngonium variety boasts stunning arrow-shaped leaves with a permanent pink variegation. Philodendron pink princess. This philodendron features beautiful green leaves with contrasting pink variegation. Anthurium crystallinum. While not pink, the velvety, heart-shaped leaves of the Anthurium crystallinum have a striking iridescent sheen. Philodendron pink Congo care tips. If you've decided to bring a Philodendron todii home, here are some essential care tips. Light. Provide your philodendron with bright, indirect light. Avoid harsh, direct sunlight. Watering. Water your philodendron when the top inch of soil feels dry to the touch. Humidity. Philodendrons appreciate moderate humidity levels. A humidifier or pebble tray filled with water can help. Soil. Use a well-draining, airy potting mix specifically formulated for houseplants. Fertilizer. During the growing season, fertilize your philodendron once a month with a balanced liquid fertilizer diluted to half strength. Final thoughts. The Philodendron pink Congo might not live up to its initial hype, but the Philodendron todii itself is a beautiful and versatile houseplant. With its lush green foliage and climbing habit, it can add a touch of the tropics to any indoor space. By understanding its true nature and providing proper care, you can enjoy this stunning philodendron for many years to come.